Let's talk about the recently launched INFINIX smartphone Note 30. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, and with 21:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 90.6% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 396 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, with QVGA camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel camera with punch hole display. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 based on XOS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek MT8781 Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM with 8GB extended RAM, and 256GB of UFS onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.62 by 76.6 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams, and the color options sunset gold, obsidian black, interstellar blue colors, to see in this phone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the phone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor with AI face unlock for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm audio jack, with dual speakers and a USB Type-C charging port, and IP53 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX Note 30 has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX Note 30? Do let us know in the comments section below, and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.